up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Zoe here if you're new, and today I'm back with another video. And today's video is brought to you guys by VIPWIGS, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I dye, install, and style this wig. So it did come with a bunch of goodies, and this is the hair in its original texture. It is a curly, deep wave type of vibe, and the wig is a 5x5 closure with transparent lace. The hair texture is pretty nice. I like the curl pattern. It's pretty cute. So I'm first going in with my quick blue bleach and a 40 volume developer. I already separated the front strands from the wig, and I'm just brushing it out, and I'm going to be basically fully saturating the front strands of the wig in bleach so that I can lighten it for the dyeing process. I did not time how long I dyed the hair for, just because I dyed so much hair in the past. I don't really put a timer on anymore, but I would say just keep an eye on it. I wasn't pressed for the hair to be super platinum blonde due to the fact that I was going to be putting red dye over it, so I knew that it wouldn't really matter. So I kind of just put on the bleach and I let it sit until it lifted to kind of like a golden orangish vibe. Like, it really did not lift that long. And just make sure you get all of the strands, get all of the creases, flip it around, brush it out, make sure that the bleach is just all over it. And you guys are about to see in a second the level that it lifted up to. So yeah, it's not platinum. It's a chill orange vibe. But then I'm going in with my Manic Panic in the shade Red Passion, and I am going to be using a edge brush initially to dye the roots. And I'm also going to be putting on some Got To Be Free Spray on the lace, just to make sure that I don't tint the lace in the process of dyeing the roots of the hair. That's super important, just because if you are a little rough with it, you will dye the lace, and then that's going to be noticeable when you install the wig. So just keep that in. I just did my makeup. I did want to come and talk to you guys kind of about the hair before I get into like me styling it. This is how it came out with the red in the front. Honestly, I love it. Not gonna lie to you. I was a little nervous because, like, you know, the whole 2 strips in the front. I didn't know if it was gonna look right, but I like it. I think it's hot. It's the natural texture brushed out. It's originally like a deep curly vibe, but I am planning on straightening and crimping the hair just because that's what I personally was looking forward to with this wig. I'm gonna get into that. I'm gonna start straightening it because this is a lot of hair, baby. Like, this is a lot of hair and I have to straighten it all and crimp it all. So I'm gonna be here probably for 2 hours. And I was not lying about that. Definitely was doing this process for 2 hours. I did want to come and talk about the reason why I'm doing this. I essentially didn't receive the wig that I thought I was going to be receiving, which is fine, no worries. But I did have a vision for this hair and the 2 strips in the front, and upon you know, washing out the dye and stuff, I just didn't really like the 2 strand in the front with the curly texture that the wig was. And that's my bad. I should have filmed the wig curly anyways. So I apologize for anybody who was looking forward to seeing like the wig wet and curly. That's definitely my bad, but I am straightening it and crimping it, so you guys kind of, you know, you're getting a versatile vibe a little bit. This process was really long and honestly kind of hard, and I kind of, upon doing it afterwards, I regret doing it off the strength of how much time it took. Just because it is curly hair, it is kind of hard to straighten curly hair, and also my flat iron is not the best, so it took me a while, but it did come out looking how I expected it to look. So I'm just gonna speed up this process and y'all will see what. Literally took me so long to straighten the hair. Like, probably, I wasn't even lying, it probably took a smooth 2 hours, as well as just the texture of the hair. Straightening curly hair is not the easiest. I put this do-rag on so that I can try to flatten the top of it a little bit, because for whatever reason it was not trying to stay flat. But this is what the hair looks like straightened. And now I'm crimping the hair, and this is my first time ever using this crimper. I got it for Christmas. Shout out to Pops. Upon crimping the hair, I love crimp hair. I think it's so cute. Kind of wish I didn't crimp this hair because I think this style look-key looked better without the crimps, like if it was just straightened. But again, we're here. You know, this whole process was very trial and error. But I did add a lot of heat on this, so I would suggest using heat protectant if you guys do plan on doing this. But if you guys plan on wearing it curly, then, you know, it doesn't really matter. I also noticed when I crimped it, because I was putting a lot of heat on it, it did change the color of the front strands to more of like an orange than a red, which was weird. I wasn't expecting that. But it came out cute. At the end of this, my hair, the top part of it does look a little like bulky. I should have used my hot comb and flattened the top. But, you know, again, trial and error. It's not perfect, but it's still cute. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this kind of inspired you to try this little spicy little mama type of hairstyle. I think it's so cute. I kind of want to try all the other colors. I'm trying to do blue, green, purple, all of it. So if you guys want to see me wear more front strand dyed wigs, let me know, because this was so fun to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. And yes, I will see you guys in my next one.